stockpiling cash, right? Are we recording right now?
We are.
Yeah.
I'll cut all that out.
I was gonna say please edit that.
Alright, so hey everybody, we are out here touring some urban developments in downtown Phoenix, the Biltmore area. So as you can see, these already are occupied, but they got more under construction over there. So it says they starting to freeze, so we're gonna go in and find out more information about them. But urban living down here in Phoenix is big. They're selling like hotcakes. They can't build them fast enough. Most of the urban places we're going to look at today, they're priced in the mid-2s to mid-3s. And, you know, that gets you between like 800 to almost 2,000 square feet. So, you know, that's phenomenal. For new construction, we're talking new, not pre-owned, we're new. We're just going to finish up, see here, we're socializing with some of the owners. Yeah, we're going to go on in and get some more information. So, we'll take you along.
Badge on, so that's official.
Yeah.
We are official. We're officially here to review your house.
Meaning this model right here, looking out onto those 4 buildings out there. And I have this Midtown as a model, and this Uptown as a model. I'm only putting 2 of the downtowns in here. One of them's already sold, the other will be in the last building that I am building.
Nice. Oh, these are really nice.
A Harry Potter closet.
That's a good size.
Can you sublet that?
I
Sublet it out.
could theme it and rent it out to some nerds like myself. Like I was gonna say. Here, Georgia. I'm not. I promise.
This nice little terrace.
Yeah.
So 3 bedrooms up here.
Yep.
Tiny. Yeah, the room is tiny. Excuse me. I'm sorry, Jason. When you had to live in a tiny bedroom,
Your whole
I
life.
don't like them. Yeah, no, I don't.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
I really like that because I'm selling a house right now where it's just open.
Yeah.
Oh, so no water comes splashing
Yeah.
out. That's
I like that little piece. And at the bottom, it's like an extra.
nice.
Good ideas.
Yeah, that's another good thing about going to new builds, because a lot of them, they're in touch with everything, all the little
Yes.
details.
This is nice though. This is a nice looking.
For a young, like,
Yeah.
for young professionals.
Other than that, I would love it because I love being in the city, walking distance. And I would show up all these baseboards like.
Yeah, give me a yard, please. I think this is these are kind of cool. To the left there too.
Yep, to know. New York. Anyone coming from urban, I guess.
That's why I don't live in New
Yeah,
York.
so you don't live in New York. 2 imaginary friends, maybe. So 2 powder rooms. Is that a full bath downstairs, or is it half?
Bath.
So it's 2 half baths.
And then a full bath?
2 full baths in this one. So they must be upstairs.
They had it at a house in Arcadia. And it said 5 bedroom. Well, the whole like center part of the open floor plan, they just walled off and made a bedroom. I said that's not a bedroom. Not enough
These
closet
showers are
parking.
sweet. I like the showers though.
I like the wall.
Do something like this in your home.
Sinks. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna do a nice big shower.
I like this. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a little bit. The other ones were more my
I think
client's
the
price.
location here's better than the last one.
Yeah, yeah, it's a little more.
Being closer to Biltmore. Alright,
It's
control freak.
She got it stuck. It's better. It's fine.
Yeah, that central corridor has all sorts of good restaurants.
Guy that's been by our office that keeps saying he's gonna get evicted in the next 3 days with his sign.
Little place.
Alright, we're going into another urban development here, a Green Street communities. Looks like Montecito. So, we'll just go on and see what these are like here. Let's get a.
Hi,
Hi.
Very good. It's open, so
Oh,
feel
that's
free
some-
to walk
thank
through.
you. Alright, so let's go on and see what kind of products they have here. It's kind of remind me of Taylor Morrison.
Thanks.
Yep.
Good, right?
I'm so tired of it. Oh geez, this goes all the way back. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
this you could actually live.
Oh my god. Holy cow, Al's in heaven.
So you could actually make this a room, right? You could put a cot back there.
Yeah.
Alright, Airbnb it. They rent out the balcony on there.
Oh yeah.
Maybe it was San Diego. I think it was somewhere cooler.
Cool.
Like, that doesn't fluctuate the temperature as much. Yeah, rents out his.
Oh, this is
Dude lives in a tent on the balcony.
This is not bad.
this is. Oh no, what's going on with the? They're going to replace this?
Yes.
Oh, they just didn't hook it up yet. Looks like they're gonna.
Yeah.
The nice white quartz. Nah. Well, you can't really sit out here unless you sit on a bar stool.
I doubt you want to do that after a couple drinks.
Yeah, I know.
Fall right over.
Ooh, nice freestanding. You, this is what you need, Curtis, for your bath.
Oh, that's the shower I need in my
Yeah.
house.
That's nice.
Heck yeah, that's
You have a
my
seat,
space
too.
is not-
Yeah, nice
Yeah.
bench.
See the difference between this shower
I know.
and that?
Yeah.
This is good, standard, typical, like yeah.
Yeah.
There's more.
Yeah.
Now this I love. Oh, this is the roof.
Oh, this is a roof. Okay, so it's only two up. Oh, oh, this is a. Who needs a balcony when you got? Oh, oh, dude, Curtis, this is.
I could, yeah.
All right, this is a selling feature. Right?
This is why.
Hell yeah. It is.
Your own private. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could do that. I could put a little.
This is why you can't sit on the one down.
Yeah. I was like, wait a minute. These nice urban properties, they have no place to sit out. Storage for like grills and stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah, your furnace. So this is mechanical.
Dang, this is dope. I like this
Yes,
a lot.
me
Yeah. I like this better.
Green Street is smart. They're smart builders and renovators.
This is nice.
Yes.
Man, nice trees. You got city views. You can get some mountain over.
I want to come here just for a party.
Oh,
Have a
mind your
dog
way.
here, I guess.
Yeah, this
way.
way.
You could have a dog up here.
You could easily do like a run up here.
Dog run. Just put a little grass patch.
So who brought the wine and beer?
We're just doing shots. Great.
Are you videotaping?
I am videotaping all this. Hello.
Hi. Yeah.
Do you
We-
guys have any questions?
We just love this.
We want to have a party.
Yeah, when's the
up here.
party?
Yeah.
That's the question.
Yeah, so every unit does have a rooftop deck or patio. I have one remaining that is a 3-story with a patio. So it'll be the larger 2358 square foot model. This one's 1855. How familiar are you guys with the Green Street communities?
I'm very familiar with them. I've spoken to the owners a couple of times.
Okay.
I was showing a lot in Arcadia and along Central Corridor that they had done.
All
Mostly
the big
Arcadia.
custom homes that we
Yes,
have done. Yeah,
yes,
that's
love
awesome.
it. I just love what you do.
Yeah,
It's true. I do. I love
it's a nice view.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's
So as soon as I saw Green Street, I'm like, because you weren't on our tour for whatever reason. I don't know why. And
how many? Is it just you?
it's
or-
just us.
And we will. They are.
Oh, that's a
planning to
guest
do
up there,
another
so yeah, so
project similar to
barbecue,
this.
Barbecue right here.
barbecue bar.
So it's like, it'll be similar to
Oh, that.
but, just
Gas.
know that
You
Green
can
Some
Street
misters with the.
expanding,
be sick.
definitely in our interest.
This would be a bachelor pad. It's
legit.
a pad, legit
We have
bachelor.
listings.
What
Yeah,
are
the
the, I
closet
didn't,
down
did
the
we get a
stairs.
price?
Oh, no, we didn't. What the price sheet?
We didn't get that yet.
So this one is $525.
Okay.
And we are offering a lease back opportunity. So
Ah.
if you have somebody that could do a 30-day close, then we would lease it back from them for $3,000 a month, probably for a 3-month period, with the option to increase that, but we're happy to do it. And then I have this unit on the end, which is the exact same floor plan. It'll have a dry bar instead of that big of a storage,
Oh,
but it still has
nice.
storage, but unobstructed
Who
views.
needs
Who needs it?
Wow.
Yeah.
Storage.
If you want someone with a rooftop deck and unobstructed views, Camelback Squaw Peak, it's 10,000 more, 535, but it's, I mean, they're really
Wow.
nice views. It's really, really nice. Space and it's covered, you know, so it doesn't get weathered. But yeah, it's very cool.
Very nice.
So, do you guys want to take any information?
Yeah, we'll be.
Yes, of course
Love
we
to.
do. Excuse me.
All right. Thanks. Nice.
I've been so busy today, I haven't had time yet. So up here, we will have little gates. Okay, so it will be fully.
Yeah.
We offer a landscape package of $4,500 with the purchase price. So it would either be desert or artificial turf, and then if they want to upgrade it, they can. It would just be their cost. Now, do you guys want the paper, or do you want just emails like with the PDF version that you can forward to your clients? That
If
might be
we're
easier?
being eco-friendly and Green Street friendly, we'll just take the
Thank you. 'Cause
Yeah.
electronic.
I hate wasting paper.
This is more like a home. That's right.
Wide stairs. Got
Yeah.
wide stairs.
Oh, there's the pool.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I like this. Nice laundry room.
Oh yeah.
Super nice laundry.
Any understairs storage here?
It's not like the Harry Potter
No.
closet.
Gets a knock for that.
See a lot of
This?
yeah.
Dang.
Yeah.
I could live with that.
Still a pretty small closet for me.
You need a closet what, the size of this room?
I need a huge closet. Between my clothes and RJ's clothes, I can't handle it.
Oh, so this
That's interesting.
drywall, I guess.
Yeah.
Probably lose some weight too.
This is pretty big too.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I don't know, I like the other one better in between the two buildings.
I like it too.
I liked it too.
I mean, yeah, this has got,
More shade.
yeah, this has nice sweeping views, but I think if you're gonna buy this like bachelor pad type deal,
Downside, you have to walk up every single flight of stairs to get to your kitchen.
That's
Yeah.
the good thing,
Is it?
because then you get to lose
Oh.
weight
Dang.
into people's backyards.
oh, so yeah, you know what this is for? This is for the telescope. Yeah,
I'm gonna be a great old lady peeking out the window.
you're gonna be the one that's gonna police the whole neighborhood, right? No, these stairs are massive.
Stairs are super wide.
Yeah, we love that. So if you fall, you can roll.
Yeah. So you can actually roll down sideways instead of falling face first.
Yeah.
That's good.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour of some of the urban developments that are popping up around downtown Phoenix. Now, this is only a fraction of the developments that are available. That there are just so many of them, it's impossible to tour them all in one day, or even 1 week for that matter. These are the hot item right now. Basically, you know, even the ones that don't even have occupancy yet and they just have floor plans, they're selling. You can't even view something. It's just renderings, little mock-up models, and these things are flying off the shelves. So there's no doubt that urban is in. I know it's not for everybody, but if this is definitely something that you are interested in, it's time to buy is now, because prices are only going to go up from here. Our office is hopefully going to be doing more of these tours in the coming weeks. My plan is maybe doing one every other week and doing 3 or 4 a day like that. So stay tuned for in possibly 2 weeks for another tour. Now, if you'd like more information on any of these properties you saw today or any urban development that you might be looking at, don't hesitate to contact me. I would love to help you out and find your very own urban desert paradise. Well, that concludes this video. I'm going to go ahead and just sit back and relax now. It's been a long day. If you like this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you want to follow along and see more of these tours, or just want to follow along and see what I'm up to, please go ahead and subscribe. Also, go ahead and follow along on my other social media channels. The links will be in the description. So yeah, I will see you all next time. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.